Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can check the app download history on the Play Store app. See here, using this Play Store, if you download few apps on this mobile, you can, if you uninstall now, you can get all the app downloaded history what you have previously used on this mobile. See here, this is the email ID which is used on this Play Store account. So say for example, assume this email ID is present in another device also, maybe that may be a tab or any other Android mobile. Whatever the apps which you install also will be shown here. All the app download history will be shown here. How you can get to know that? Click on this profile picture icon and then click on this manage apps and device. Yeah, and here you will find this manage option, overview and manage. Click on this manage. See, here are all the apps which are currently available here. Currently available, not the previous app downloads. But how you can check the previous app downloads? Click on this drop down. Click on this drop down and choose not installed. These are all the apps. These are the list of apps which you have downloaded previously. Okay, this is the app history what you used with the email ID on different devices. Again remember, this is not only on these devices. On whichever device you install the apps using that Gmail ID will be shown here. You can also use this filter to get the recently uninstalled applications. So in this way you can get to know the Play Store app download history. I hope this video helps. If you feel this is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.